Hello students. Hello students. Now we will discuss some properties of definite integration and its use. Right? Come to one question. Integration from 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin x divided by root over of sin x plus root over of cos x into dx. We start to how to find the integration value of these functions. Let I equal to this. Let I equal to this. This is taken as equation number 1. So you know the properties, one of the properties of definite integration. Integration from 0 to a f of x dx equal to integration from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. This is the properties, one of the properties of definite integration. This is the most important properties. Here x is pi by 2. So in place of x we write a minus x. So in case of x we write pi by 2 minus x. So what is I? I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 root over of sin pi by 2 minus x divided by root over of sin pi by 2 minus x plus root over of cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. That is I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 root over of cos x divided by root cos x plus root sin x into dx. This is equation number 2. Remember that when these formula are used in the problems, that are to one trick, that you must add these two equations in every type of questions where these formula are used, must add the two equations. So what is 2y? 2y equal to adding equation 1 and 2, equation 1 plus equation 2. 2y equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 root sin x plus root cos x divided by root sin x plus root cos x into dx. Right? These cancel. So what is 2y? 2y is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 dx. And here dx integration is x and it is from 0 to pi by 2. So 2y equal to pi by 2 minus 0. That is equals to pi by 2. Here I equals to pi by 4. So this is the integral value of the first question. Now come to another question. Using properties, we do another question. Second question, integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Come to third question, integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx. And come to another question, integration from 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x. Come to another question, that integration from 0 to pi 0 to 1 log x or log x, you can write log x also, log x by root over of 1 minus x square into dx. We now first the proof of the first bit, log of tan theta d theta, and it is from 0 to pi by 4. So come to question second bit. Let I equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Then what is I? I equal to 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus theta into d theta. This formula is here used, integration 0 to a f of x dx, that is equal to integration from 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. This formula used here, right? Now we use the tan a minus b formula. What is tan a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan A into tan B. So what is I? I equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan theta into d theta. Now tell me, what about the value of tan pi by 4? That value is 1. So we write I equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Take LCM it. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta plus 1 minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Here is tan theta cancelled, right? So what is I? Y implies I equals to integration 0 to pi by 4 log of 2 by 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Log A by B is log A minus log B. So we write integration 0 to pi by 4 log 2 minus log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Right? Look at, here is log 2 into d theta minus log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. That taken as the I value. So we write integration from the numerator, right, from the upper side, implies I equals to log 2 into integration of d theta from 0 to pi by 2 minus I log 1 plus tan theta into d theta is I. So log 2 into d theta is here, implies I equals to log 2 d theta integration theta and it is pi by 0 to pi by 2 minus I. So 2I equals to log 2 into, now 2I is equal to log 2 into pi by 2 minus 0. In place of theta we write pi by 2 minus 0, that is pi log 2 by 2. So what is I? I equals to pi log 2 divided by 4. This is the integral value of the first question. Now come to the second question. Log of 1 plus sin x dx. Dear students, remember that this question is most important question for long question. So we do that question also. Third bit. Let I equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into dx implies this second as I, first equation. I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin pi by 2 minus x into dx. In place of x we write a minus x, that is one of the properties, right? Implies I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x into dx. This is equation number 2. Now you add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2. So 2I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x plus log of cos x into dx, right? Log a plus log b is log ab. So 2I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x into cos x into dx implies 2y equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x by 2 into dx. Why it is sin 2x? Because sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x cos x by 2. 2 cancel. This will be moved. And log a by b is log a minus log b. So this is integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx minus integration 0 to pi by 2 log of 2 into dx. Right? Now come to this part, and this will be taken as I1 because it is another integration. We have to derive this. So this is taken as I1 minus log 2 dx integration is x value is pi by 2 minus 0 means pi by 2. Now this is equation number 3, and we now find the value of I1 and put that value in equation number 3. Look at here is I1 equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin 2x into dx. Let u is equal to 2x, du by dx is equal to 2. So what is dx? Dx is equals to du by 2. Then now the variable changes, so lower and upper limit also changes. When x is equal to 0 to pi by 2, what will be the value of u? x0, u0, x pi by 2, u is equals to pi. So in place of x we write pi by 2, 2 to cancel, x will be, u will be pi. So I1 equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin u into du by 2 implies I1 is equals to integration from 0 to pi because the u value is from 0 to pi, half into integration from 0 to pi log of sin u into du. Look at what is the value of, you remember this formula, integration 0 to 2a f of x into dx, that is equals to twice of integration 0 to a, twice of integration 0 to a f of x into dx, f of x into dx, f of x into dx, when f of 2a minus x is equal to f of x, and it is 0 if f of 2a minus x equal to minus fx. Now what is f of x here? Log of sin u. What is 2a? Here is pi. Chale log of here f of u equal to log of sin u, f of pi minus u equals to pi minus u equals to log of sin pi minus u. This is equals to log of sin u. Here f of u and f of pi minus u both are same. If both are same, this is the case. So it will be 0 to 2a will break to twice of 0 to a. So here is 0 to pi, it will break to twice of 0 to pi by 2. So we write I equals to half into twice of integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin u into du. Half cancel 2. So I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 log of sin u du. And when the variable changes without changing the functional value, the definite integration value will not be changed. Means sin u du integration, sin x dx integration, sin y dy integration, same in definite integration. So this is also I1 will be equals to I. Right? So this is I1, the value is I. Now it is what will you put in the equation 3? Putting in equation 3, putting in equation 3, 2i equals to I1 minus pi by 2 log 2. I1 is same as I, so 2i equals to I minus pi by 2 log 2. 2i will be cancelled. So what will happen? I equals to minus pi by 2 log of 2. Right? This is the answer for third bit. Now come to the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? I equals to x log x log sin x, I equals to integration from 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x into dx. We now derive this equation. Let I equals to, let, this is the fourth bit, let I equals to integration 0 to pi x by 1 plus sin x into dx, implies I equals to integration 0 to pi, in place of x we write pi minus x, 1 plus sin pi minus x. This is equation number 1. Implies I equals to integration 0 to pi minus x by 1 plus sin pi minus x is sin x also into dx, right? So this is equals to pi into integration 0 to pi dx by 1 plus sin x minus integration 0 to pi x dx by 1 plus sin x, and this second as I, right? So this will be 2i, implies 2i equals to pi into integration 0 to pi 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Look at, in place of x, if you write pi minus x, sin pi minus x will be equal to sin x. So it will be equal to twice of 2 pi into integration 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. Why? Because sin pi minus x equal to sin x. Now 2 cancel from both sides, implies I equals to pi into integration 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x is 1 minus sin square x, 1 minus sin square x, right? Pi into integration 0 to pi by 2 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x, right? And 1 by cos square is sec square x. Sin x by cos square x is, sin x by cos square x is sin by cos into 1 by cos. Sin by cos is tan and 1 by cos is sec. So I equals to pi into integration 0 to pi by 2 sec square x minus sec x into tan x into dx, implies I equals to pi into sec square x is tan x, sec into tan is sec x, and it is from 0 to pi by 2, implies I equals to pi into sec pi by 2 tan pi by 2 minus sec pi by 2 minus tan 0 minus sec 0, and this will be neglected because undefined value, tan 0 is 0, sec 0 is 1. So this is 1, implies I equals to pi. This is all about the third bit question. Come to last bit question. In place of x, you substitute x is equal to sin theta. If x is equal to sin theta, dx will be cos theta into d theta. And here is root over of 1 minus sin square theta. This is also cos square theta, root over chi. So this will be cos theta cancel. So simply it will be log of sin theta. Remember, when x is 0, sin theta will be 0, theta is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, sin theta is 1, means theta equal to pi by 2. So it is integration from 0 to pi by 2 log sin theta divided by cos theta. Here dx is cos theta cancel, log sin theta d theta. It will be just same as the bit 2, right? This is all about the use of properties of definite integration, and there are many questions, you can solve it.